How to add any picture or photograph as a page background in your MS Word document. So hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can add any particular photograph or picture as the page background in your Microsoft Word document. So as here you can see, this is a sample document that I have here, and in this tutorial we will be covering how you can add a picture as its background. So in order to start, the first thing that you will need to do is simply click onto this design tab on the ribbon. This will give us the access to different types of modifications related to the page design and page formatting. Now from here over the right hand side, you can see this option of page background. So you have the watermark and page color as well. So you can also add a picture watermark using this watermark option, but in order to add a page background with a picture, you need to click onto this page color option. Once you will click here, you can see that these are the options to add a color to the background of pages. But since we want a picture, you need to click onto this fill effects. So once you will click onto this fill effects, you can see this particular dialog box right here. And from here, it has different types of options like gradients, textures, patterns, and the last option is of a picture. So you will need to click onto this picture option, and then you will need to click onto the select pictures. Once you will click onto the select pictures, it will give you these options. So you can choose a picture from a file which is stored into your computer. You can also Bing image search. That means you can search for any online picture if you want. And then the third option is you can access your photograph or picture from the OneDrive if you have stored any. So let's assume that we have a photograph into our system and we want to use it. So simply click onto this from a file option, and it will open the file manager. So let's say I want to use this particular image, or alternatively you can navigate to that particular image that you want to use and then select it like this, and then you will need to click onto this insert button right here. Once you will click this, you can see that the image has been successfully loaded into the dialog box, and then you have some options as well like this lock picture aspect ratio as well. So if you want this, you can do this as well, and then you can click onto this OK button, and here you can see that the image has been successfully set as background into my document. So currently it is not set particular to this document, as you can see that the text is not being visible. But if I will change the text color, you can see that the text is still present here. So if we will tweak with the text formatting, we will be able to see the text as well. So that's how easily you can set any particular image as your page background in MS Word. So that was all for this particular tutorial. I hope it helped you. If it did, be make sure to drop a like and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.